Hello and welcome to the draws for the rest of the days for my 12 days of Christmas giveaways. Days 7 to 12, I guess that makes it. So thank you for putting aside a little bit of time on New Year's Eve to come and check the results. We had a lovely surprise this morning when we opened the curtains. It has been snowing again here in Cheshire. So maybe not a flying day, but a very magical morning nevertheless. Best wishes to every single one of you for 2021. Let's hope we have more fun, more health, less impositions in terms of lockdowns, and more time to fly. Thank you to every single one of you that left a comment on the videos, and particularly those who left a comment saying things like Happy New Year and best wishes and things like that. This is a fantastic community as a hobby, and it's nice to be able to do these kind of things and these kind of giveaways. So without too much further ado, let's get cracking and let's pull the draws for day 7. Now again, I'm going to be using the random comment picker, so it's all standard stuff. Day 7's winner is John Savage. John Savage, congratulations. Send me an email to lee@painless360.com. Include day 7 in the title of the email, and let's get you sorted so this can ship. This will be coming from ZOHD directly, so as well as a shipping address, I do also need a phone number because they'll need that for international shipping. But don't worry, we'll sort all that out on the email. Day 8. Day 8 was for another Wing Sim code. This is quite a fun one because I should be able to get this out very quickly once we do all the bits and pieces via email. This time, the winner of that one is Joe's Model Kits. Joe, congratulations. Again, send me an email to lee@painless360.com and include the title Day 8 in the email, and then we can get this out to you, and hopefully you can have this very soon and be out and flying. Next one is day 9 for the Menace RC antenna pack. I've got them on lots of my goggles, including my HDOs behind me. Fantastic antennas. And the winner of this one is Taz FPV. Taz, congratulations. Again, send me an email to lee@painless360.com, put day 9 in the subject line, and we'll get the pack out to you. Congratulations. Day 10 was for one of these, a 250 dart from ZOHD. This is mine. I've actually spent yesterday actually putting all of my iNav stuff in it. There'll be a video about the flight controller I'm using at the weekend, and I'll probably do a follow-up one. I haven't maidened it yet. That was going to be on the list for today. Maybe wait for the snow to finish first. These are just smashing little models, and with everything in here, I'm just over 250 grams with the battery, but it's quite easy to build them under 250 grams if that's important to you. So the winner of the 250 gram ZOHD dart is Eat Your Veg FPV. Eat Your Veg FPV, congratulations. That's actually quite difficult to say quickly. You have won that one. So again, send me your details to lee@painless360.com. Include your shipping address and also a phone number. It'll be coming direct from ZOHD, so they'll need that for the international shipping. Day 11. Day 11 is for another fat strap. I've been using the fat straps on a couple of things here and I really like them. The winner of day 11 is Bill Kendall. Bill, congratulations. Pop me an email, lee@painless360.com, include day 11 in the subject line, and I'll get these details over to Stephen at Fat Straps, and you can choose the design you want, whether you want the DJI or the Fat Chart one. And that leaves the final draw of this year's 12 Days of Christmas. And that's for a little quadcopter. And the winner of the little quadcopter is Wyn Davis. Congratulations, Wyn. I think you're out there in Wales, actually, so that's fab. If you can get an email to me with your address details, I can get that in the post hopefully quite quickly, and who knows, you can have it early in January to whiz around and annoy the cats and dogs in your local area. So thank you to everybody again. Don't forget the rules. The way it's going to work is that if any of these people don't claim their prize within the next 7 days, then I will do a redraw. So you never know. We might not be done yet. Most of the people from yesterday, I'm still waiting for 2 people from yesterday's draws to get in touch. So who knows? It might be that there might be a surprise draw in about a week's time. But again, Thank you for everybody watching the videos through 2020 and watching the content that I create. I love the hobby, I love everything about it, and the videos that I make aren't to support a lifestyle or to endorse anything. It's just because I just love making videos and helping people out and flying this stuff, and hopefully we'll have a lot more of all of that goodness in 2021. Thank you for watching my video and watching right to the very end. If you want to find out what I'm currently working on, you can follow me on social media by searching for Painless360 in the usual places. If you'd like to become part of the inner circle, then you can become a Patreon. Details are in the description and you get lots of additional benefits. Check out the playlist section on the channel too. I organise all of my videos into playlists, and it's called something like Introduction to or for Beginners. All of the content is aimed so that you can start at the very beginning, and it teaches you that subject, starting with simple principles and moving up to teach you everything you need to know.